Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be doing the week giveaway, guys. So I'm going to be doing the weekend giveaway of actually giving away at least to 1 to 2 people on every video that I upload from this point forward. So I only uploaded, I think, 3 videos last week because I had a lot of stuff that was happening, I guess, in my life. But now, since I already that's all taken care of, guys, I'm actually going to be doing the giveaway for you guys of the last 3 videos I believe that I uploaded. And from this point forward, I hope I can upload more videos. So I'm going to start to bring back the phone farming phones. So I have like 4 or 5 of these phones, and I'm going to start to actually run applications on these phones and show you payment proof on how you can start to make some money from cheap phones. I believe this was only like $15 to $20, and I'm going to start to make some money from it. So I already got my ROI from that phone. So I paid $20 for it. I got back like at least 30 to 40 already. So I'm just going to keep on using these phones and showing you new money making apps, new money making websites, new money making methods, and just stuff that I'm doing on my computer, guys, and stuff that I'm going to start to be a part of. So keep watching this channel if you are subscribed to it, guys. If you're not, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It will really help me out in the algorithm. Make sure to comment down below your Bitcoin address so I can actually do a giveaway for you guys. So now let's get on with this video. So the first video I'm going to be actually doing a giveaway for is going to be the last one. So this is going to be this one right here, guys. So I believe it says 6 days, 6 days, and 5 days. So these are all 2 weeks ago. So now let's come over here. Let's go and click on this, I guess, real quick. And let's pause the video. Let's go over here and copy the actual URL link. Let's go to YouTube, a random comment picker. Let's do this really quick. Paste it in, get comments or YouTube comments. And also by the end of this, guys, I'm also going to show you the easiest way you can start to earn some money on YouTube, guys. Something that you don't even have to do at all. All you do is just upload the videos, guys. So keep watching this video till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money. The easiest money on YouTube. By the end of this video, guys, I'm also going to be showing you the easiest way you can start to earn some money on YouTube, guys. You don't have to upload your own videos. You don't have to do record your face, even your voice, guys, if you don't want to. I'm going to show you the easiest way you can do all of this right now at the end of this video, guys. So keep watching, and thank you guys so much for being a part of this YouTube community, and to the guys or people who are going to win this giveaway. So now this is going to be the first one right here. So let's click on start to start the raffle and pick a random winner. So the first one's going to be right here, KD Chris. It says great video, and here is his Bitcoin address, his or hers. And thank you so much for being a part of this community. And hopefully by next week, guys, I should be uploading more and more videos as time goes on. So just bear with me and comment as much as you can down in the comment section. Give those videos a thumbs up so they can help me out with the algorithm on YouTube. I'll really appreciate it too, guys. So now let's do the next one for the second video, which is going to be this one right here. Thank you so much again for being a part of this YouTube community. There are 2 people that have won the giveaway already, guys. So now let's move on to the last video right here. So let's click on this one now, and let's see who's going to win this giveaway. So now let's put in the URL link up here, guys, and this is going to be real quick just for this one so I can get this YouTube giveaway stuff up and running for the week. Now this is just like a test trial for me to you guys. So now I'm going to try to do something different for next week possibly, or the week after. So keep on subscribing to this channel, keep on giving the videos a thumbs up, keep watching the videos, guys, because it helps me out a lot. And hopefully as time goes on, as my channel grows, as more people get onto this channel, the more I can actually give away to you guys. So this is going to be the next comment giveaway for the last video I have done for the week, guys. And thank you to all 3 of those winners. And I also almost forgot, guys, the giveaway will take a couple of hours to get deposited inside of your account because of how volatile Bitcoin is at the moment. It went from all the way from, I believe, 12,000 to 10, or no, it went from 13,000 to 10,000 or 12,000, and now it's back up to 14,000. So I tried to make a transaction a couple of hours ago, and I still haven't received my own Bitcoin. So it will take a couple of hours, almost a day, for you guys to receive your BTC, but you will receive it, guys. And thank you so much to all of you guys for being a part of my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. I really enjoy it. I really love making these videos for you guys. And I'm going to try to get up and running more and more content as time goes on, guys. It just takes time to make these videos, to find methods, and to even upload them on YouTube. So keep bearing with me, guys. And here is the way, the easiest way I've known, and I have actually created for you guys to make money on YouTube. Now look at this. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions. Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here's the volume. So
you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume, any background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here, how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.